How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Lights Over Loveland. This is Justin, and I just got in my samples, so let's check them out. So this is going to be my 3 new designs, which are going to be available in multiple colors. Each sample here, so we'll start with the purple. Here we have the Friendship is Universal design, the Earth's Beauty design, and the We Come in Peace design. And I picked the colors that I did because my closet consists of a lot of black and gray t-shirts, so I wanted to add some color in there. I did go with an extra large. I do like my stuff a little baggy. I probably would be fine with a large. Lilac is the color on this one. It kind of looks blue in the video, but it is a purple. It's kind of like purple and blue mixed together actually when you look at it close. It's a really cool color. So those are my new shirts and the new designs. Let me know down below what you think of them and let me know which one's your favorite. There are multiple colors available in each design. I am probably going to have sweatshirts available in each of these designs as well. And if you would like to pick one up, this goes directly into helping me grow and evolve this page, getting better equipment, creating higher quality content for everyone. And I would love to just be able to document this phenomenon and everything that's going on to the best of my ability, and that takes a lot of resources and money. This equipment's not cheap, and to get better stuff, I'm just going to have to start raising money to be able to buy better equipment. So thank you to everyone who's here, everyone who helps me support this page, and everyone who buys something from my store. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You are helping me evolve this into something very special, and I know one day we're gonna get to what I have pictured in my head, and it's something special. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you have an amazing day filled with love and light, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.